Hello. I'm here to tell you that being jealous of other people's success is a good thing. It's one of the best feelings if used right. While normally, yes, jealousy is experienced as a very powerful feeling in a negative, in a destructive way, but I am going to tell you that jealousy can be also used as a good thing, as a positive thing in a constructive way. This awful feeling can be used to your advantage and benefit to build your dream life and dream self. Let me say it. Jealousy can be used as your guide in life if used right. And by the way, at this point, I also want to say that this advice does not apply if you're jealous in a relationship, because that's a completely different topic. This is about when you're jealous of other people's success. I bet that most of us don't think of jealousy as a good thing simply because it's such a powerful feeling and rarely we get told that it's a good thing. But I challenge you to start approaching jealousy in a different way, in a constructive way. I know it's going to be a challenge because jealousy is such a powerful feeling, whether it be in a negative or a positive way. It can literally destroy your life or someone else's around you. These extreme feelings that you feel inside when everything inside of you is burning and this flame is slowly swallowing every inch of your body while also slowly destroying lives and making you look like a jerk. I know, it's not a nice feeling. This, my friend, is jealousy in its most destructive form. But believe me, it also has a good side. The more constructive form of jealousy. Yeah, but it's hidden there and we need to learn to use it. But before we get into that, we need to quickly ask ourselves, why do we get jealous? We get jealous because someone else has something we want, whether it be material or spiritual. And exactly for this reason, it's a good thing. You can use it as your guide in life because it's literally telling you what do you desire and which direction you should be moving to, what kind of life you want and who you want to be. Use it to your advantage to build your dream life and dream self. Wait, what are you talking about? We have periods in life where we feel more or less jealous of other people and their lives. When we don't get easily jealous, it usually means that we're satisfied with our own lives. I cannot breathe here, you're too satisfied with your own life. And therefore, our inner world is balanced no matter what, even if your best friend will be invited to Met Gala. You won't believe this, I was invited to Met Gala. Oh, nice. However, when we are not satisfied with our own life, we tend to get jealous more easy. So dissatisfaction towards our own life equals jealousy, and therefore jealousy can be used as your guide in life to find your right course towards more fulfilled life. Because you have the power over your life. You can build any life you want. Your mind is your only limit. Ah, okay, now I kind of get it, but how do you do it then? How do you control that feeling? Because every time when I feel jealous, I either want to destroy or be destroyed. Well, first step is acceptance and being honest with yourself. Accepting that feeling and acknowledging the presence of it, and don't try to hide it from yourself. Understand that it's completely normal feeling to feel. Stop that now, stop hiding, you're completely normal. When someone or something makes you feel jealous, don't let that feeling eat you from inside and instead accept the presence of it and ask yourself, what triggers jealousy to join our company today? Try to get on the bottom of it and then take a deep breath and say to yourself that you're no different from this person you're feeling jealous of and that you can have everything you wish for if you just work towards it. Anything can be achieved with discipline, consistency, and patience. Anything. For example, sometimes when I scroll on social media and then suddenly this burning feeling of jealousy floods into my body, I immediately notice it and acknowledge its presence. Then I ask myself, what caused it? Where did it come from? And each time the answer is that I saw on social media a person who is living a life I dream of, so they have something I don't have. And then the next thing that I feel like doing is to put on a victim mode, quit everything I'm doing, go pity myself, and maybe ruin someone's life as well. Because everyone else is so lucky and this world is so unfair and I'm such a loser who's born into wrong circumstances and it's all fault of my parents and so on and so forth. But instead, I stop myself immediately and say to myself that I have the capability to take my life into my own hands like a piece of clay and form it into any shape that I want to. And you can do the same. At first, it can be challenging to start controlling it just like that, but the key in the beginning is to be gentle with yourself and embrace the feeling of jealousy. Get comfortable with it, try to get to know it, ask questions, and after time, you'll have enough information to use it against it and tame it. And finally, it'll start working with you towards your dream life and dream self. I don't understand why are we programmed to experience jealousy in such a negative and destructive way, because it could be experienced completely the opposite. It is such a powerful feeling and it has so much potential to completely change your life, but instead we let ourselves to be eaten and destroyed by it. Use jealousy as your guide and fuel to build your dream life and create your dream self. And whenever you're feeling distracted by the destructive jealousy, can I come in? Just get yourself together, stop scrolling on social media, and focus on your life, because in the end, only that will get you what you want. What do you think of this kind of approach towards jealousy? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so the YouTube algorithm will push this video further to more people who need to hear this. And if you want to see more content from me like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you decide to take matters into your own hands and start building your dream life, here is a video where I share super simple method how to make all of your dreams come true. So you might want to watch it. And again, thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one, and remember to chase your dreams. Bye bye.